Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming drivers and firmware are current, then power the interface. Next, plug your headphones into the phone's jack and set the front knob to 0. This prevents loud pops that can damage ears. Once done, set routing in the Focusrite control software so phones follows monitor or a dedicated mix. Make sure headphone impedance matches the interface capability. Low impedance cans need less gain, so you get clean sound without strain or distortion. You now configure routing inside Focusrite Control and your DAW. First, match sample rates across devices to avoid clicks. Then route the outputs feeding the phone's channel. Choose monitor mix for full playback or a Q mix for isolated stems. If you need zero latency monitoring, enable direct monitor and blend input versus playback with the monitor mix control. Also, adjust headphone gain modestly and test with speech and music so you can hear both low and high frequencies clearly. You finish by running a level check with a reference track, keeping peaks under -6 dB so you have headroom. If you hear nothing, first verify Focusrite control routing and mute buttons, then ensure the phone's jack is fully seated. Unbalanced adapters can fail. Once done, test with a different headphone or cable to isolate the problem. If another set works, it's the cans. If not, restart the interface and computer and reinstall drivers as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.